Hello friends, and welcome to another class. And in this class we will learn about multiplication using base method. So in order to do the multiplication using base method, we will be following two steps. We will be doing cross addition or subtraction, and in the next step we will multiply vertically. Let's take an example to understand it better. So we will be multiplying 9 times 6. Now friends, you might be thinking of why are we solving this problem even though we could do it mentally. Friends, we are solving this problem as a base multiplication method, which will act as a foundation for multiplication of large numbers. So in order to understand clearly how will we multiplying large numbers, we must understand how do we multiply a single digit multiplication. So let's get started. First we write in this format 9 times 6. Now over here our base is 10. So now 9 is 1 less than 10, and similarly 6 is 4 less than 10, that is minus 4. Now according to our step 1, we will do cross addition or subtraction. Now here we have got a minus 1 sign, so we go for cross subtraction. Then 6 minus 1 is 5, and if we take the other cross values, then 9 minus 4 is again 5, so we get the same answer. So our left hand side of our answer is 5. Similarly, to get the right hand side of our answer, we will follow the second step, that is we multiply vertically. That is minus 1 times minus 4 is positive 4. So the answer is 54. So let's take another example. 5 times 6 is how much, and 8 times 7 is how much? So let's take 8 times 7. So 8 is 2 less than 10 and 7 is 3 less than 10. We do cross subtraction. 7 minus 2 is 5. Write it below as our left hand side of our answer. We multiply vertically, that is minus 2 times minus 3 is positive 6. So we got the answer as 56. Similarly for the next one, 5 times 6. So 5 is 5 less than 10 and 6 is 4 less than 10. So we'll do cross subtraction. The 6 minus 5 is 1, and minus 5 times minus 4 is 20. Now friends, we know that 5 times 6 is 30, and over in our case, that is in base method multiplication, we are getting 120 is our answer, and we know that this is indeed the wrong answer. How do we understand? Okay, in this scenario, since the number is very small, we can understand it, but for large number of multiplication, we will be applying placement rule. What does it say is that the number of digits on the right hand side of our answer is always equal to the number of zeros of our base. So over here our base is 10 and we have got 1 0 in it. So over here, that is on the right hand side of our answer, we must have only one digit. So we carry out the 2 to the left hand side and we add 2 plus 1 is 3, and we got the final answer as 30. So this is what its placement rule says. The number of digits in the right hand side of the answer is always equal to the number of zeros in the base. Okay, now we will be increasing our base to 100. So 99 is 1 less than 100 and 96 is 4 less than 100. Okay, and similarly we'll just following the same method as we do in our base as 10 type of multiplication. So 96 minus 1 is 95, and minus 1 times minus 4 is 04. Okay, the point to be noted over here is I am writing over here 04, even though minus 1 times minus 4 is 4. But since as I told you earlier, according to the placement rule, we have got 2 zeros in our base. So on the right hand side of our answer, we will be having 2 digits only. So let's take another problem. 98 times 97. 98 is 2 less than 100 and 97 is 3 less than 100. We do a cross subtraction. 97 minus 902 is 95, and 3 times 2 is positive 06. So 9506 is the answer. And 95 times 96, it's 5 less than 100 and another one is 4 less than 100. We do cross subtraction. 96 minus 5 is 91, and 5 times 4 is 20. So 9120 is the answer. Finally, 88 times 88, it's both of them are 12 less than 100. So we do cross subtraction. 88 minus 12 is 76, and 12 times 12 is 144, we know. But as per our placement rule, we can allow only two digits to stay on the right hand side of our answer. So we carry out the 1 of 144 to the left hand side, and we get the answer as 7744. Okay, now same method. Now I have increased the base to 1000. So 996 times 999. So 999 is 1 less than 1000, and 996 is 4 less than 1000. So 996 minus 001 is 995, and 1 times 4 is 4, and we got the answer is 995004. So again we have also applied our placement rule, that is we have using our 3 digit on the right hand side of our answer. Since we have got our base as 1000 and it has 3 zeros, number of zeros is always equal to the number of digits on the right hand side of our answer. So 999 times 98 is 999 is 1 less than 1000, and another one is 12 less than 1000. So 988 times minus 1 is 987, and 1 times 12 is 12. So 987012. So 999 times 125, so it's 001 less than 1000, and another one is 875 less than 1000. So we do the cross subtraction. So 125 minus 1 is 124, and we do the cross product of the minus 875 times minus 1 is positive 875. So 124875 is the answer. So friends, likewise we can carry out the multiplication from the base of 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and so on. And another point that I would like to say, that in this method we have done, this is a type of base multiplication method, wherein we have taken the numbers below the base. So in the coming lecture we will take the numbers above the base. So that's all for this class. Thank you.